Dutch oven roasted beef. 5 pounds of the beef. We'll roast this beef in our Dutch oven. This is 5 liters of the pot and we have 5 pounds of the beef. We'll make this recipe to the perfection.
Mair Born Hungry is delicious. Look at the way that I turn it to riches.
My name is Mair. You're watching Mair Born Hungry YouTube channel. Let's make Dutch oven roasted beef with just olive oil, salt, garlic cloves and some lime in there. 5 pounds of the beef. This is regular cuts. This is the 3-hour recipe. 5 liters of the Dutch oven olive oil and we will take 2 whole cups of it. This is 1 cup of the baking. It goes in here. Let the oil heat up. Let me tell you about the beef. It's with the bone. So we have rib pieces, just the meat only pieces, shank pieces. This is a mixed up whole combo. 5 pounds of the beef, 2 cups of the olive oil. Let's land our beef here. This is Dutch oven roasted beef recipe. Whole beef with the bone. Once you add the whole beef, you will need salt, regular kosher salt. You will take 2 tablespoons of the salt. This is 1 and this is 2. Once you add the salt, give it a mix. It's awesome, it's delicious. Every single part of the beef you get in here. Boneless beef, rib beef, leg beef, shank beef. Put your stove onto high flame. Right now we have to sear this meat at least for 10 minutes on the high flame. You will take 1 whole lemon, slice it from the center and add it in here, just the juice. Handful of garlic, at least I would strongly suggest use fresh garlic, and at least 20 cloves of fresh garlic. Smash it on your chopping board. So this is the garlic. Smash, add. For this Eid, for any occasion you have meat recipes, you're gonna love this recipe. It's been 10 minutes of stir frying and roasting this delicious beef. Now let's add 2 cups of water. This is 1 and this is 2. Let's give it a stir. The beef is stirred up. Cover it with the lid, with the Dutch oven lid right here. Put your stove onto medium flame. Medium flame means at least 250 degrees and we have to cook this beef at least for 3 hours. So this is 211 by 511. We will add some green chilies in hour and 10 minutes. Let's take a look. Whoa. Dutch oven will do your job very quickly. That's what it is. Look at this. It's not done. By touching, it's not done. Cover it with the lid and I'll see you after another hour. I went to bed. This is 2.5 hours later. Look at this. Wow. And wow. This is literally it's done just by moving the spoon. Look at this. Oh my god, and it's flavorful. Green chilies. Give it a mix. Oh my god, this is all the way done. Can you tell it's done? Yeah, it's super tender. This is fall off the bone beef. Cover it, leave it for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I'll see you then with the taste testing. 3 hours later, we have a delicious fall off the bone beef is completely ready, which is done in Dutch oven. It's been 30 minutes on top and the beef is completely rested. It's almost a shredded beef. Three hours will do the job for you. 5 pounds of the beef with the bone. Take a fork and just dive in. That's what it is. This is the taste test. Fall off the bone, delicious beef. Fall off the bone means, here you go. Oh my god, this is the king, Dutch oven, for this delicious recipe. Perfect example of fall off the bone. Look at this. Oh my god, Dutch oven, delicious, melt in your mouth recipe. Subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and bye bye for now. Make this fall off the bone delicious. Every single thread of the beef, every single string of the beef you can see.